Right, let's get to it. First thing is the spaghetti into a pan of boiling water. Be careful, because obviously boiling water's hot. We put 75 grams per person, in this case 2 people, 150 grams, and boil it for about 15 minutes. There we are, we're nearly in there. So do be careful, it'll sink in. Right, so we brought it to the boil, so now we turn it down and simmer it for 20 minutes. We don't need too much heat, number 1 in this case on the cooker, and it'll simmer nicely. And obviously the spaghetti will swell. So that'll be done in about 15 or 20 minutes, sometimes it takes a little longer. But that's the base of today's recipe, spaghetti. Right, we're now going to make the stock. We start with a 1 vegetable cube and crumble it into the jug. Right, to the vegetable stock cube we add tomato puree, delicious stuff. A tablespoon will do nicely. There we are, I'd call that a tablespoon myself. Mixed herbs, half to a full teaspoonful. So here we go. Oops. There we are. We add 1 tablespoon of Worcester sauce. A really tasty sauce this to any stews or mixes. And now to complete the stock we add just over half a pint of boiling water. Give it a reasonable stir and just let the mixture settle. There we are, just a wee bit more. There we are. And that is the stock finished. Right, we're now going to make a start by frying the mince. Just 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in the wok. That's all that's needed. Just to help it on its way. It's all nicely thawed, notice that, it's all nicely thawed. No icebergs in it. I'm quite happy with that now. It is an overall golden brown, as you can see there. A lovely brown sheen to it. You don't want it burnt. So that is the mince done. So we'll just put that to one side. Right, we've done the meat now, so it's just a matter of frying the vegetables, the onions and the grated carrot until they're a light brown. They say golden brown, but if you get a carrot any colour nearest to gold, you're quite lucky. So we start off with just 1 tablespoon of oil. There we are. The onions are just rough cut, as you can see. Quite small pieces. So just fry that a while. Right, now there the onions, off we go, and in go the shredded carrots. Don't they look good? Do this until the onions indicate that they're well cooked. They go clear. We don't want them too brown like the meat at all. We just want them both sweated until they're cooked. There we are. In goes the garlic paste, just 2 streaks of it. There we are, that'll make your hair curl. And we stir that in. All this adds to the flavour. Right, the onions and the carrots are well cooked now, so I'm going to add them to the mince that we cooked earlier. So here we go. And now we stir it into the mince. We're going to add the stock. So here's the stock, and in she goes. Right, now we bring the whole mixture to the boil and then turn the heat down and simmer for 10 minutes. As you can see, there's a bit too much liquid in the mixture, so what I'm going to do is get 10 grams of corn flour, add cold water, must be cold water. There we are, just like milk. I'm going to add this to our mixture and then give it a good stir. There you are, look at that, as if by magic. Gosh, now that's a good solid basis. That's lovely. That is good. So the corn flour has absorbed the excess liquid, but we're still a lovely moist mixture. And that's about it. There we are, a lovely start, is that? Lovely. Yeah, well done corn flour. I'm pleased with that. And that is how I make easy bolognese, a very substantial meal, as I say, quite cheap to make, £2 worth of mince, carrot, onion, Worcester sauce and what have you, and it's exceptionally good for you, particularly if you want to put a bit of weight on. So don't forget to subscribe if you like it, and any comments will be more than welcome.